To resolve that no signal issue on your monitor, several potential causes should be considered. The problem may stem from a defect at the power source, loose or damaged cables, or a temporary technical issue with the computer. To address these issues, start by checking the power source, ensuring the power cable is firmly connected to the power outlet. If the problem persists, try using a different outlet. Next, inspect the cables, verifying that all wires are securely plugged into the correct ports and checking for any damage. Replace any damaged cables and consider trying a different cable to see if the issue is resolved. Additionally, rebooting the computer can often resolve the problem. To do this, long press the power button to shut down the computer. Let it rest for a few minutes, and then switch it back on. By following these steps, you should be able to fix that no signal issue on your monitor.